Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your tokens and coins from Satorify.io to your Trust Wallet account and then swap or rather sell. All right, let's get in. First of all, we're going to have to locate a particular coin called coin claim or claim coin. And in order to do that, we're going to have to open up our browser. I use the Google Chrome, and I'd advise you also make use of Google Chrome or your designated browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. Once that's done, you're going to be looking for coin claim price or rather coin claim CLM, and we're going to be scrolling down and getting its contract address. Previously, CoinClaim was on the Ethereum network, but it's now been shifted and sorted out to the BEP20 network. That's the BNB Smart Chain network. We copy its address, and we head down straight to Trust Wallet. You might be wondering why we're going back to Trust Wallet. That's because, okay, we put in our passcode to gain access. Now, in order to have the coin claim token on our Trust Wallet, we're going to need to use the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen, like so. Once that's done, paste the address and activate the coin. Here you can see it here. It has no profile yet, but it's coin claim BEP20. Okay. Now that that's done, we're going to be heading back to our browser, and we're going to be looking for Satorify.io, like so, on the search bar, Satorify.io. Once you log in, you click on Start Earning. Note, this is for new users. You fill in the blank spaces, your email, a password of your choice. Once that's done, you repeat the password and you click on I'm not a robot and you register. Okay guys, registration should be done. Everything should be processed, and then you're going to have to log in, or rather confirm your login by going back to your Gmail. As you could see, they had sent us a code. Again, this is for new users, or rather new registrations. Okay, we're going to be confirming our email address. Click here, open this on Chrome. You give it some time to load, and the account has been activated, and we're logging in. Not a robot. Login. Okay guys, so mostly Satorify, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly, is maximum users limit logging from this IP reached. Okay, this could be a potential problem from either its server or wherever this issue might be occurring from. But all you need to do is you gain access, you log in, and you move straight to the withdrawal section. You click withdrawal. Okay guys, at the time of making the previous video, Satorify refused, or rather had some server issues, so I couldn't log in. But I'm back in now, and I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Satorify as a new user. This is just everything about the sites and how you can make use of it, how you can get your jobs, prizes, and the rest of that. Click on the Future Jobs tab right now to start working. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to exit that screen and go, or rather head straight for withdrawal methods and how to take out your profits from here. You head over straight to withdrawal. uh okay, there are no withdrawals at the moment and the rest. But what I'm thinking is you need to verify your account, and once that verification is done, you gain access to the withdrawal section. After gaining access to the withdrawal section, it should be quite easy to, you know, uh, get some CLM. That's the Satorify coin itself, or rather, what the Satorify site uses as a currency. So yes, basically you can deposit some CLM here, and the way you deposit should be the way you withdraw, which is just you posting, rather, sorry, you pasting your CLM address on the site here and getting your CLM out. Okay, so as of now, I am not yet, or rather, I'm not completely verified. For now, I do not have any CLM, so I can't withdraw for now. But basically, guys, it's just you pasting your CLM wallet address from Trust Wallet here and clicking withdraw. That's all. That's just it. And if at the time of making this video, if anything changes, that's with the Satori site verification, I'll quickly update you. Thank you guys for tuning in to today's video. Comment down below if you have any questions on how to withdraw your CLM.